Over the last 3 years, I've created 9 different income streams. This is 9 different things that make me money, some of them very actively, some of them passively. And so in this video, I want to share with you these 9 different income streams, show you which ones are the best, which ones pay the most, and which ones you should start focusing on starting today. So let's dive into it, starting with number 9. This first income stream is general investments. And I don't want to spend too much time on this because it's not terribly exciting or glamorous, but it's a fantastic way to use your money to make more money. And every month I'm making money from these investments. Now I invest in a couple different places. I either put my money in the S&P 500 or I invest in a couple different companies using the Robinhood app. My favorite to invest in recently has been HubSpot because I know that this is a company that's going to be around for the long term, and they do really great stuff that I actually understand. For me, it's more fun to invest in companies like this than chasing different investments like Bitcoin, which has actually burned me in the past. The other way that I've invested my money is buying a fourplex last year. I rent this fourplex out to different tenants, and this pays me every single month. Now, I don't know a whole ton about real estate, but what I do love about this is this money every month goes to a separate account that I rarely ever look at. And so I know one day I'm going to remember this and I'm going to go look in this account and have tens and even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Plus, I also am building equity in this property that I one day can sell. Income stream number 8 is affiliate sales. This is actually something I really enjoy doing. I love recommending good products, services, and courses to other people. However, with affiliate sales, you have to be careful because sometimes the scummiest and sleaziest offers are the ones that pay the highest affiliate commissions. And so don't just be an affiliate for something because it pays you a lot, but instead be an affiliate for things that you believe in. And so for me, I'm an affiliate for different tools like Hello Bonsai, SEMrush, Notion, Figma. All of these things are tools that I use on a daily basis and that I really love. And so if you're going to be an affiliate, make sure that it's stuff that you believe in. Now, affiliate sales are definitely not the best source of revenue, at least for me. I, on a good month, will typically make about $1,000, but it's still nice to have that extra revenue and feel like I'm recommending good products to people that I care about. The next income stream is consulting. Now, consulting is a fantastic way to make extra revenue. It's not something that I offer all the time, but anytime I'm having a slow month or maybe I have a little extra time, I'll open up my schedule and offer calls at an hourly rate. So sometimes I'll do a call for an hour that's maybe $100, $200, $300. Or if somebody needs more help, I'll offer a multiple session deal for a few $1,000s where we'll talk about something different in every call. And these are really valuable to people if you have the expertise to share with them that could potentially help them make way more money than they're spending you for your knowledge. And so offering consulting calls is a fantastic way to generate revenue. Again, I don't do this all the time, but it is one of the most productive ways to make good money fast. The next income stream is YouTube ad revenue. Now, when I started my YouTube channel years ago, I didn't really think I was ever going to make significant money off of ads. And quite frankly, I didn't even know that I'd be able to build much of a following. Now, at this point, I have about 50,000 subscribers, and my ad revenue usually hovers between $2,000 and $3,000 per month. So this is a really nice cherry on top, especially considering this is not the main purpose of my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel feeds every one of my businesses, products, courses, my agency. It helps me land new clients. And so it's way more profitable than just that $2,000 to $3,000 per month that I make on ad revenue. But this is still a great way to make money. It's something that I don't work for because I'm doing this work for other reasons, but getting a little deposit from Google every single month is really nice. The next income stream is my paid membership. Now, I've heard from so many people that having a monthly paid membership is the best way to make consistent, big money. And while this was definitely a reason that I started it, I actually started this because I wanted to be able to connect with other designers and other marketers just like me. And so I put together this group, which is called Paid Pro. Now, this definitely has not been as profitable as I thought it would, but it still has made me good money, and it's been something really fulfilling in my career. And so it's something that I plan to continue to do for at least the foreseeable future because it's really fun to connect with those people. Now, with that said, It's a really hands-on business to run. You have to be available to answer questions and to help people and do live streams and prepare trainings and to organize and to run this whole community. And so while it does make you good, consistent money month after month, it can be kind of draining. And so if this is something that you want to do, make sure that you understand that it's not all consistent passive income, but it is going to take a lot of work. All right, so now we are into my top 4 income streams. And these top 4 are by far the most profitable and the ones that I would recommend above all others. And that is starting with web design services or offering web design and development to clients. Now, this is not consistent money. If you don't land new clients month after month, the money's not going to be rolling in. But with that said, this is a fantastic way to have huge influxes of cash. When I started offering web design to clients, these projects were only worth a few $100s. So it definitely wasn't significant. But as my agency grew and as we got better and more well-renowned, people started being willing to pay a lot more. And we got to the point where we were charging $10,000 and $20,000, and in our most recent project, even $75,000. Now, while these projects do pay a lot, they are really time intensive, and you have to have a team behind you if you're going to take on these larger projects. And so you do have to pay team members, you have other expenses, but at the end of the day, offering these types of one-off services to clients is a fantastic way to make a lot of money. For the past several years, offering web design as a service has made me multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, and so it's definitely a profitable thing to offer. Income stream number 3 is offering online courses. Online courses are a really popular thing to do right now. And for me, my online courses, which are an SEO course and then a web design sales course, between the two of those makes me between $100,000 and $200,000 per year. And so it's been a fantastic source of income, especially considering once you create the course, you don't have to do much else. You create the course once and then people buy it, they take it. I use a program called Teachable, and this helps people through the sign up, the payment process, and it walks them through the entire course. Now, while online courses might not require you to be as hands-on as some of the other options in this video, you still need to do some work. It's going to be a lot of work to create the course, and you need to make sure that you're very often updating the course as well to make sure that the content in the course doesn't get outdated. You have to make sure that when people pay for this, that it's extremely high value and they feel like it's worth the money. And so this goes without saying, make sure that you're not creating courses that are gimmicky or scammy. Make sure that you're actually teaching a real skill that people are going to find valuable. And if you do this, online courses can be a fantastic way to make a lot of money. All right, income stream number 2 is SEO services. If you've watched my channel, you know that my agency, Pay Digital, offers SEO or search engine optimization. This is a monthly service that we offer, and we sign clients up for contracts that last multiple months, sometimes even multiple years. And so for this reason, it's a fantastic way to create recurring revenue. Now, the other thing I love about SEO is we are able to produce a very direct result. And that result typically comes in the form of traffic, sales, and revenue increase for our clients. Now, anytime you can offer a recurring service that helps your clients make money on a recurring basis, they're going to be willing to pay for it forever. So as long as you know what you're doing, as long as you're doing good work and helping them get some sort of return on their investment, they should keep you for the long term. Now, the price of our SEO contracts can range from a few $1,000s to a few tens of thousands of dollars every month. So it really just depends, but all of these end up being really profitable for us and for our clients. And so if you're looking for an ongoing service to offer that's pretty scalable, SEO is an awesome thing to offer. Now, SEO is very near and dear to my heart because when I started offering SEO, that was truly the first time in my adult life that I felt comfortable in my income because I knew how much I was going to make next month and the month after that. Because before that, I was just doing one-off website projects and I never knew where my next client was going to come from. And so finding recurring services like this is critical to you living a comfortable and predictable life. All right, finally, my number 1 source of income is my SaaS product. I launched this product, which is called SEMflow, just a few months ago. And while it is still very much in the growing phase, there is no question that this is the best way to make money. And there are a few reasons why. So we've started this thing out and it's been growing slowly. It costs only $15 a month, and there is a ton of value for the people that pay for this. It's an awesome SEO tool that integrates into Webflow. And so I love having a product that I'm proud of, first off. It's a product that once people try, they continue using it for months and months and months, and I hope years. Now, the other thing I love about this is it's a high volume thing. And so we have to get a ton of people in to use it to actually make good money. But the nice part is it doesn't kill us if we lose 1 user or 5 users or even 10 users. Whereas with things like web design and SEO, if we lose a client, it can be detrimental to our income. Now, having a product like this is also really exciting to me because aside from the monthly revenue that we're earning, we are also building a really cool asset that could potentially be sold in the future. And so we're building equity in this tool that could end up being a multi-million-dollar sell down the road. And so there are different ways that you can actually make money from this type of thing. Now, I know this can be the same for a course or an SEO and web design agency, but it's just not quite as clear and clean of an asset because there is so much human interaction that happens in those things. And so an acquisition is much more difficult because it relies on myself and my team to run those versus a SaaS product where it literally runs itself. It's a coded out tool that does its thing, and all we have to do is maybe field a couple support requests and continue to improve this tool. And so overall, it's very low input, very high output. It makes a huge difference for people. People love it. And overall, it's my favorite way to make money. Now, the one thing I will note with this SaaS company is I have yet to make any money off of this because we have spent a lot on building it. And so there are some SaaS products or products like this that you can build for almost no money. A lot of you might have the skills to build it on your own, but for me, I decided to invest money into having my team build it, and it's definitely been worth it. So we might make several thousands of dollars per month. In fact, we're on track to make 6 figures this first year, but almost all of that is going to go back into the tool, mainly because I want to scale it and I want it to make even more money. But with that said, the day is going to come where we don't have anything else that we have to pay for. The tool is going to be nearly complete, and every single user payment is going to go directly into our pocket. And that is really, really exciting. And again, my hope is that one day this tool, as incredible as it is and as much as I love it, I hope somebody comes along and offers me $20 million for it. That would be pretty nice. All right, so thanks so much for watching this video. Those are my 9 streams of income, and I hope that this has given you some ideas on new ways that you can generate your own income. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button down below. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing because I've got new videos like this one coming out almost every single day. We'll catch you in the next video.